Le coccoline così, vero? Vero che ti piace quando ti fanno le coccoline così? Perché sei un coccolone di prima categoria, sei. Andiamo, dai, forza, 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 forza. Yuhu. Bello qua. Antico forno della calce. Spettacolo. E adesso continuiamo. Tartufaia. Grazie signor Pattarozzi, è molto gentile. Non siamo in Trentino, siamo a Meana. Posti spettacolari. Andiamo a vedere. Eppure la vita dei pastori e di chi vive la campagna. Andiamo? A scendere e anche a salire. Siamo dentro un antico forno di calce viva. Da qui si esce. Grazie signor Pattarozzi, lei è molto gentile. Dove mi vuole sperdere stavolta? Se non vi fosse chiaro di quanto è bello, guardate qua. E laggiù c'è un fiume, quindi andiamo a vedere. Bello qua col fiume. Che figo.
And my voice becomes the Bellissimo.
Grazie signor Pattarozzi per questa bellissima visione. Eia!
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Damn, who knew? All the planes we flew, good things we've been through. That I'll be standing right here talking to you about another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh, but something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at things different, see the bigger picture. Those were the days, hard work forever pays. Now I see you in a better place. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I would do, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last ride.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about
Dove ci porterà adesso? Chi vivrà vedrà, ma che vada ci mangeremo uno dei suoi panini a forma di racchetta da tennis.
You both go out your way and the vibe is feeling strong. And what's small turn to a friendship turn to a bond, and that bond will never be broken, the love will never get lost. And when brotherhood come first, then the line will never be crossed. Established it on our own when that line had to be drawn, and that line is what we reach, so remember me when I'm gone. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I went through, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last ride.
Let the light guide your way. Yeah. Hold every memory as you go, and every road you take will always lead you home. Oh, it's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Yeah.
Adesso, come si scende, si sale e si fa un altro giro di là.
And you have this belief that you cannot build what I don't need. And I know I need to feel relief. And I know you'll never fall, but I believe nothing that I'm told. And I know I need to feel relief. I know I need to feel release. Take care to tell it just as it was. Take care to tell on me for the cause.
Pensavo peggio.
You think I'll apologize for things I left behind, but you got it wrong. And I'm as sane as I ever was. You talk far too much for someone so unkind. I will wipe the salt off from my skin.
Ciao, e tu, bello lui. Bello il musetto di casa lui, bello.